Hi everybody, today I am going to discuss about exercise 17B from R.S. Agarwal book. Okay, first question number 2 I will discuss now. Question number 2. Construct triangle PQR in which QR equal to 6 cm, PQ equal to 4.4 cm and PR equal to 5.3 cm. Draw the bisector of angle P. Okay, so three sides are given. So at first rough picture I am drawing here. Suppose this is PQR, P, Q and R. Now QR equal to 6 cm. This is 6 cm. PQ equal to 4.4 cm and PR equal to 5.3 cm given. Okay. So I have taken here three line segments measurement, 6 cm, 4.4 cm and 5.3 cm. And here bigger line I have taken. Then in the rough picture QR is the base, that means 6 cm. So 6 cm distance I am taking, measurement I am taking from here, like this way. Then this is QR. Then PQ and PR I have to draw. PQ means 4.4. 4.4 measurement I am taking. This is, and PR is 5.3. This is 5.3. 4.4 I am taking once again to extend the line, that means the arc. Okay, now it can be joined. This point is P. This point is P. Now this can be joined. Now this is PQR. Now the last line, draw the bisector of angle P. Angle P bisector we have to draw. That means how to draw angle bisector? I am just rotating the copy. This is P point. Any radius I am taking. This is, then more than half radius we have to take. More than half radius I have taken. Then I am cutting an arc from this point and from this point also. Then I'm getting here one point, this one. Then I'm joining this. This is angle bisector. Angle P is bisected into two equal parts. Then I'm giving here name, that is S. So therefore triangle PQR is formed. Last line must you have to write, in which, this you can write by pen, in which that measurement you have to write, PQ equal to 4.4 centimeter, QR equal to 6 centimeter, PR equal to 5.3 centimeter, and angle QPS equal to angle SPR. Now question number 4. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB equal to AC equal to 4.8 centimeter and BC equal to 5.3 centimeter. Measure angle B and angle C. Draw AD perpendicular BC. Okay, then here two sides are equal given, 4.8 centimeter. I have drawn here a 4.8 centimeter and 5.3 centimeter. Then also I have taken here a bigger line, this one. Then BC I am taking as base, BX. Then BC is 5.3 centimeter. So here, from here I am taking this measurement. Then this is BC, 5.3 centimeter. Now AB and AC is given, so that measurement is 4.8 centimeter. I am taking from here. This is, then from the point B, and also from the point C, I'm cutting this arc. Okay, this point is named by A. Now AB and AC can be joined. So ABC triangle I got. Then we have to take measurement of the angle B and angle C. Then we have to put protector on it. Then take the measurement of angle B and angle C. I am getting this measurement 55 degree. This measurement also 55 degree I am getting. So here angle B equal to angle C equal to 55 degree. Now draw AD perpendicular BC. That means from A point we have to draw perpendicular line on BC. So from the point A, perpendicular line I am drawing. See the process. This distance I am taking. Then here on the BC line, these two intersecting points come. See this one intersecting point, and the another one is this one. Then I am putting the needle of the compass here. Then I am taking more than half distance. Then just cutting this, and from here just I am cutting this. Here we will not write this one in the middle of the drawing, that angles measurement. I have written at first, but I am rubbing this one. Okay, now I am joining this line. This is D. This is perpendicular line from A to BC. Therefore, angle B equal to angle C equal to 55 degree, and AD perpendicular BC. One thing more, here triangle ABC is formed. That's all. This is question number 4.